What's good, YouTube, man? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got to working yesterday. I put the camera down and I didn't pick it back up, but I got the big 3 finish. So let's go and do this walkthrough, man. This still the stock alternator. We charging at 15 volts right now. So that's the first run. I got it ran with the factory wire going up here, down, coming up to right here. And I'm gonna get some new wire terminals for these right here too. The upgraded ground right here. Damn, my hand Ash. Going down to right there. The new engine ground, y'all can see right there, and it's going down to the frame. You get a better view right here. And I gotta spray some I forgot what you call it, but it's like a black paint or whatever to keep it from rusting. I made sure all my ground was like solid, so nothing will short out. So everything's like tightened down. Power wire from the battery, from the alternator to the battery. The ground wire from the battery to the truck, and then the engine ground from right there to down here. Make sure you guys that all your grounds are tightened, because you don't want to short out. You don't want to short out nothing in your vehicle. That's whichever vehicle you're doing. All right, so for the big boy D4800, we coming from the alternator again. Tried to run it with the factory wires. This one here, I kind of misjudged it, so I cut the wire a little bit too long. Come right here for the power. Then I got it grounded right here, right down there. So bam, to right down there. I was thinking about grounding it to the frame, but I didn't want to do a ground like, I think this, hold on. I think it is to the frame. Not the frame, but it's grounded to the truck. I didn't want to make the ground too long. But yeah, I started the truck up, I let it run for a while. Took it down the road. And like I said, the ground is solid. I got it all the way tightened down. Then I got my wire ran for my system is right here. It's starting right here, and I got it ran down through there, coming up under the truck. It going straight to the back. So yeah, man, that's pretty much how I did my big 3. But y'all probably be better off rounding it to the frame. But me, I didn't want the grounds too long. My connection's solid, and yeah, if y'all want to do it like I did, by all means. With the ground, man, just make sure the wires is not moving, because you will short out something in your truck or your car or whatever vehicle you got. That's the, you know what I'm saying, pretty much the main thing. Making sure your ground's solid. And I said it like multiple times because I'm trying to like reinforce it with y'all, so y'all won't mess up your truck and then come on like, man, you taught me this bullshit. Nah, bro, I'm telling you right now, just make sure all your ground's secure, man. But yeah, I got the subs in the house now. Just rewire those. Got the power wire already ran to the back. But y'all, man, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how y'all ran y'all grounds or power wires or whatever. How y'all installed the second battery. Yeah, just drop some, I guess, ideas, recommendations, suggestions in the video, man. Just kind of like schooling me or teaching somebody else. And like, we're just all trying to grow a little bit, trying to learn something every day, man. So yeah, just y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all boy in the next video, man.